So in this video, I'm preparing the hull to receive the keel or keel box. Here I'm starting to cut the floors out so that the keel box can go through. I tried using the multi-tool, but it just didn't cut very straight to my liking, so I decided it was worth the extra effort to use the handsaw. Now I'm measuring to make sure that the opening is going to be wide enough for the keel box to come through, but it's not, so I started using a grinder to grind away the bottom where the keel timber is with fiberglass on it. And about now I'm thinking I should have put on a Tyvek suit because I'm going to be very itchy, and I was. It's grind and measure, grind and measure. I don't want it to be too loose, but it needs to fit, because if it doesn't, it's going to be a pain to take the boat on and off of it to get it fit in and attached. In the bottom of the boat, under the sole, is going to be tanks in between the floors and frames, water tanks / ballast tanks. So here I'm beginning to drill the plumbing holes through so that I could start building those after I get the keel into the boat. And this video is going to end just because the battery went down on the camera. So, no big finale.